Hold on, yo. Do you want to put something? Do you want to put something
let me find it.
under here? Because I don't think this transmission is balanced, and I don't want to drop it in the back.
I know. Before I take this out, someone's gonna get in the engine bay.
Okay. Do you want me to get in the engine bay right now?
Oh hey, I didn't see you there. In today's episode, we're going to take the transmission out of the Miata, install a brand new clutch and flywheel, and mount it to the engine.
You can use my phone if you want, so you don't have to take yours off the thing. Go ahead.
No, clutch, no.
That is some brown ass clutch fluid.
Clutch fluid.
Okay, but that is disconnected from there now. Is it okay if it just drips?
Yeah, I mean, can you try to aim it so, like, it's just landing on the concrete?
No.
That's fine.
I got you. Grab
Put on the pallet?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's sick.
Good job, boys.
Sick, look at it.
Ready?
Yeah, you want me to stay on the brakes?
Yeah. Drive shaft is turning.
As long as it doesn't fall. Is someone dragging?
No. Alright. So we just went to Harbor Freight, picked up these lights. My buddy let us borrow this tent. Got a little space heater in here. Miata fits right in the concrete. It's perfect. Absolutely perfect. Putting together engine hoist. We're gonna match up the motor to the transmission, and we're just gonna drop the whole thing in at once.
Put it in there.
Ain't that right?
Yeah.
All right, well, where did we buy the first one from? AutoZone. The AutoZone engine hoist didn't work. Colin had a hookup. We got this one, just bought a leveler, and now we're trying to just loosen the slack on the engine. Hopefully, we only need 2 of these guys attached because that's all we have on there right now. Got the space heater in here. It's kind of warming up a little bit, and we'll see if we can get this thing off the stand. Do not attempt this at home.
You ready?
Yep. All right, now on the hoist, off the stands. Flywheel?
Flywheel.
All right. Mazda Miata flywheel.
Don't film me struggling.
What weight is this? 7.6?
7.6.
7.6 pound. Place this old guy before we put the new transmission on.
You got a knife?
No. All right, so we can't figure out how to take off the flywheel, so we're gonna go take some time to research and develop, and we'll get back to this thing. But we're done for now. Vince the Miata wizard figured out how to crack all the bolts. We're now removing the flywheel, and we got the green guy coming in soon.
Scrub a dub.
Scrub.
Flywheel sitting on there. Sitting on there pretty. About to lock them all down. Are we keeping that sticker on there?
Yeah, it's gonna stay on there. It looks really cool.
Cool. What do you think?
Absolutely.
Cool. Awesome. Nice and green.
Are you putting that on
Flywheel's
tonight?
installed. Hell yeah, we're putting the clutch on tonight.
Where is the clutch?
Where is the clutch?
It's in here somewhere.
Is it up there?
Far, far away.
Where it is?
All torqued down?
Yeah.
Colin, what torque did you put these at?
65.
Oh, so close.
What? Oh, could have been 69.
Got the nice paper-based sticker on there. It's only complaint. Where'd you order this from? Mazda Miata, right?
Yep.
This is Pedanza? Pedanza? I think it's Pedanza flywheel. Pedanza performance. Got the paper-based sticker on there. Trying to acetone all the green off. Why can't the green be on there?
It's just a protective coating.
It's just a protective coating, Colin says. He asked ChatGPT, and so that's what it told him. So he's an expert on this now, basically. Take a very fat L right now.
Massive L.
Massive L. Disclaimer, we have no idea what we're doing to begin with. So, the clutch that came with this this bundle deal Colin got.
Bundle deal?
Bundle deal, and you bought the Miata and 3 motors. It's not compatible with the flywheel that Colin ordered. This nice green one that wasn't green anymore. We already wiped the coating off. So we just ordered next day UPS air shipping, and hopefully it gets here tomorrow because we have only tomorrow to work on this and get it done.
Several days later.
What the fuck is this?
So we just took off the Pedanza flywheel. We got the clutch max, and now what order number is this?
3.
3.
Three orders for the same part.
Did you get refunded for the air shipping?
Yeah, I did.
We tried to get it for the one day, but
Didn't work
sent
out.
it to the wrong address and then ordered it again, and they canceled it because they thought it was an accident as well. But we got it finally, so let's open this bad boy up. Whoa! What you got there?
Flywheel. He's a little heavier than the old guy.
How much is this one?
10.6.
It's not horrible. I mean, stock was what, 14 or something? 16. So we went from 16 to 7.6 to 10.
5, 4, 6.
Okay.
I don't remember.
Right,
One of
good
those.
deal. Good deal. How much was this one?
180.
180. Clutch max, thank you. I'm gonna add really intense music to this. Put it on those little pegs, no? Alright, we got the clutch fully installed. That's all good. Took the heat shield off for the headers because we got some pop ones. And then now we're just cleaning up all in here. What are we removing from over there?
The clutch fork.
Clutch fork. We're gonna remove the clutch fork, clean it all up.
And the slave cylinder.
And slave cylinder, and we're gonna get ready to mount it on there, on here. Get ready to drop it in. Look at this Mormon reading his Bible.
Yeah, this is the Bible. Fucking.
So we got what's this thing called again?
Clutch, slave cylinder.
This is slave cylinder.
Yeah.
Slave cylinder, we think. Everything in there is nice and clean. Transmission's a little gooey, but inside's all nice and good.
Very good.
Very good. Do you want to add more of an angle? Or do you think we should just like say fuck it?
Just
lift
put
it?
that in like, like raise it up, or like, yeah.
Just torqued the transmission down to spec. It's on there. My phone died in the middle of recording. This is Colin's phone. Say hi, Colin.
Hi, Colin.
What we ended up doing, instead of just trying to manhandle it, is we used the jack and we just like little by little tried putting it on, but
It took a long time.
it took a long time. We think it's on there. We're gonna take the headers off and call it a night, but these are all torqued down to spec. Somebody let us know in the comments if we need 6 bolts. I think it's what we counted because we only have 4, and we're hoping that's enough for now.